Hey fam, it's Finderword. So I'm cleaning my solar lights. Look how dirty these are. So I wanted to start the new year off right, and I'm using this pink stuff to clean them with. I tried to show you a picture of just how dirty they are, but I have these all along my cedar fence in the backyard, and so I kind of took them all off because they've been looking a little dull and they don't last as long. They definitely don't last all night, and so as I kind of pulled them down and looked at them, it was because they were just so yicky. So I wanted to clean off the panels and give them a little new life. But also, I had purchased some dawn to dusk solar lights for my shed, and those I literally set those things outside for like 2 days, and they still did not charge. So I returned those back to Amazon, and I bought these other ones that are called OTEC. I'm not sure on how to pronounce that, but I'll have a picture of both of the ones I returned and then the ones that I purchased. Now, the ones that I kept, the Dawn to Dusk, I have those already, and I've been using them probably for going on 2 years with no issue, but they were just motion detectors. And I have those in my front yard. So with them being Dawn to Dusk and having them on my shed, I love them. So right out of the box, they were charged, but I still stuck them up and let them, charge during the day. And so I have some clips of those on how they look at night. And so the setting that I have them on is, they come on at dawn and they're low light. And then as you walk up to them, or if there's any movement, then they go to high beam. And they'll stay that way for 15 seconds, uh, or until whatever object that triggered them removes from the area. So yeah, here's a video. I hope you guys enjoy.